Hi everyone, welcome to Kuder. Today we're going to explore the various resources in the Explore Occupation system of the Kuder Navigator system. To get started with that, first we need to go to navigator.kuder.com in your favorite browser. You can log in with your username and password here. If you need help logging in, please don't forget to watch the Logging In or Making an Account How to Log In video. Now that I'm on my dashboard, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to take a look over here at my navigation area. Now there's another video on taking an assessment and exploring those results. We're going to go into the second resource here, Explore Occupations. Please notice that we have 4 different types of occupations that we can explore. Please also know that you can also explore results directly from your assessment results. We're going to look at this tool, Occupations Suggested by Assessment Results, first. This is a resource that allows you to view which occupations have come up in which of your assessment's top results. So here we're looking at our occupations that show up in our top results in our Kuder Career Interest Assessment, our Kuder Skills Confidence Assessment, and our Supers Work Values Assessment. There's different ways to sort these columns as you wish, and you can also use the filter to make some other selections to choose specific types of occupations that you'd like to look at. From here, you would simply click on the name of the occupation that you would like to check out, and you would go to your occupation description page. Occupation description pages within the system are all laid out in this way. You can see the pathway the occupation is in, and there are various fields that you can check out beyond this overview that is open when you're on the occupation description page. You can find out about the tasks and conditions of the job, the interest, skills, and work values associated with it, the education and experience required, salary and outlook, any related occupations, and then additional information on professional organizations and national associations associated with these occupations. Let's move on now to our occupations suggested by national career clusters and pathways. You can check out the descriptions and pathways within each of these 16 national career clusters. These are in alphabetical order from agriculture and natural resources to transportation. There is a video on each page and a link that shows you how these career clusters are related to the 6 career fields and how career pathways fit in there as well. You have a description of the cluster and then the different pathways that are associated with this cluster. From here, you can select a pathway to explore, use the filter, and then get your list of occupation names. We're going to go into Explore Occupations related to a next. This allows us to check out the various occupations related to specific majors. Here I've selected education, and I'm going to apply that filter, and now I can see the different occupation names that are related to the education major at the bachelor's degree level. From here, I can click on those occupations to go to the occupation description page for that occupation. Going here on the Occupations by Title page, you can type in the name of an occupation and any of the keywords associated with occupations you'd like to explore. If I wanted to look up veterinarian, for instance, I can see veterinarians here at the very top of the page, but also jobs that are related to being a veterinarian. From here, I can click on those occupations and be taken to the occupation description page. I hope you've explored taking a look at the various tools within the Explore Occupations section. We are also here to help at Kuder Client Engagement for customer support or at Kuder Training for hands-on training. Thank you for joining me.